Hello friends, the question is like this. Evaluate the determinant cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha sin beta, minus sin beta, cos alpha 0, sin alpha cos beta, sin beta, cos alpha. Friends, to solve this question, first of all, we take the determinant which we have been given. Okay. And on observing the determinant, we see that no term can be taken as common, first of all, from any row or column. And secondly, to solve this, we can't apply any row or column operation. Okay. So, to evaluate the determinant, we are going to expand this determinant. Okay. Now, we can expand the determinant along any row or any column, but for the calculation to be made easier, I'm going to expand it along column 3. We can also expand along the second row, but I'm expanding along column 3. Okay. Now expansion would be like this: minus sin alpha into the determinant obtained by removing this row and this column, that is the determinant sin alpha cos beta, sin alpha cos beta, sin alpha sin beta. Okay. Minus 0 times the determinant obtained by removing this row and this column. So ultimately we are going to get a 0. So I'm not going to write anything. Okay. And plus cos alpha times cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha sin beta, minus sin beta cos beta. Okay. Further, we are going to expand this determinant or simply solve these determinants of order 2. So I'm going to get this as equal to minus sin alpha into minus sin beta into sin alpha sin beta minus sin alpha cos beta into cos beta. Okay. Plus cos alpha times cos alpha cos beta into cos beta and minus sin beta into cos alpha sin beta. Okay. Now if you observe this first term, okay, so you can see that sin alpha multiplies with both these terms. Okay, so we can take it as common. So this term can be written as minus sin square alpha sin beta into sin beta sin square beta minus cos square beta. Okay, and similarly for this second term, I can see that I can take cos alpha as common because it is multiplying with both these terms. So this cos alpha, when taken common, would give me cos square alpha, and these two terms will become cos square beta plus sin square beta. Okay. Now the calculation have become very easy because if I take minus sin common, so this is going to become plus sin square alpha, and sin square beta plus cos square beta is equal to 1. And similarly cos square beta plus sin square beta is also equal to 1. So these two terms, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, would be left, and again sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Okay, which is our required answer, and this is how we are going to solve this question. Friends, thanks for watching my video. To watch more of these super videos and for the latest updates, subscribe and like the videos on these channels on YouTube, HSK Shiksha and Math Help by HSK. Thank you.